Today's quick fix exercise will be a 3-point breath, which is a inhale in 3 steps, and you start by breathing into your lower belly. Keep breathing into your middle part. Keep inhaling into your chest. And then you exhale from your chest, middle part, lower part. One more time. Inhale into your lower belly, into your middle part, into your chest. And exhaling from your chest, middle part, lower belly. One more time. Lower belly, middle part, and your chest area. And exhaling, chest, middle part, lower part. Repeat this for 1 to 3 minutes and you will feel more grounded and peaceful.